Lecture 5999, Psychotherapy. I have been listening to the Jungbup lectures and had a thought. I wish I could meet the Master in person. Today, I have been granted this wonderful opportunity. During my work, I fell ill, and it led me to endure incredibly challenging times, both mentally and physically. I have been studying Jungbup lectures for 8 months now. Master, your teachings have been immensely beneficial in helping me overcome my difficulties. For this reason, I wish to express my deep gratitude. Once I'm fully recovered from my illness, I desire to pursue the study of psychology so that I can assist those who, like me, struggle with certain issues. I would like to ask if this type of work suits me. Yes, you are absolutely qualified, and it would be marvelous if you embark on this path. After acquiring the foundations of psychology, you will become someone capable of attentively listening to the words of those in need of psychological assistance. In doing so, you will have the opportunity to help them to the best of your abilities. By helping others, you will also find resolution to your own problems, and you will experience complete cleansing from any lingering, turbid energy within you. You will be healed, and even your pale face will regain its radiance. Many people will come to you, and as you assist them, you will gradually feel better. Encountering Jungbup and studying it is enabling you to develop awareness. Continue your studies, and you will witness how many individuals you can aid through your knowledge. Furthermore, the laws of nature will bring healing to all those who come to you. Share everything you can with them, and you will have marvelous experiences. Do you understand? Sometimes it may surprise you to see how strict the Master can be. When I'm seated on the throne of the law, I can indeed become very stern and rigorous. I say what needs to be said. I apply punishment when necessary, and I grant forgiveness when appropriate. It functions in this manner. This is the throne of the law. There is no room for leniency when occupying this position. When there is a question, the throne of the law is where the correct answer should be provided. It is not a place for vague speeches. It is where the laws of heaven are expressed. I may be perceived as strict, and I might even appear intimidating, but when you meet me, you will find a very gentle person. I am someone who loves and cares for everyone. I am an individual who once lived aimlessly and even contemplated ending my own life due to my disdain for the world. So I entered the mountains where I could confront all my flaws. There, I humbly knelt down and started picking up rubbish, with the sole intention of absolving these faults. Upon my return, I realized how poorly I had lived in the past and made the decision to dedicate all my work and my life to the well-being of others. From the present moment until beyond my departure from this world, I offer my soul for the greater good of all. Simply by sharing and opening yourselves, you can receive this energy. Therefore, do not be afraid. We are all brothers and sisters. Being born in this significant transitional era, we are deeply connected. I will devote all my efforts to support every individual in this nation. Let us work together to build a bright country. Okay?